Now we go on to a bonus game for Archie and Paul called Sound Effects. Now, Paul, you'd like to come forward. Paul is going to mime out an everyday activity, while Archie will provide these sound effects for him. Now, the everyday activity we'd like studio audience to suggest.
Starting a car.
Starting a car. No, hang on. You can't do brush your teeth and start a car at the same time. Unless you're particularly close. So starting a car, maybe even mending a car, I don't know. Yeah, working on your car. I'll give you a fairly free rein. Sound effects from Archie, away you go.
I think the entire problem can be solved by the... No. I thought Paul took us brilliantly into some unexpected areas there, so 2 points for him and 54 to Archie.